Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I noticed my air filter is getting a little dirty. It is a K&N air filter, so I'm able to actually just clean it up. It'll make the bike run a little bit better. It's supposed to thunderstorm tonight, so I figured this would be the best time to do it because it gives it, I can give it a little longer drying it since I won't be riding the bike today anyways. Anyways, let's get into it. First, let's get the air cleaner off. Give it a little persuasion to get off. Of course. Wrong one. That's better. And take it off. So we've got this. We're going to use this. This is the recharger for a K&N. It's probably more than what you need for a motorcycle thing, but I mean, it will last me probably, 100 times cleaning this one. But anyways, I went with the red cleaner. First, we start with the cleaner. And we just spray it everywhere. Liberally. Do the inside as well. Now we wait 10 minutes. You don't want it to dry on there. And that's 10 minutes. So now we bring it in and I'll rinse it off inside. I'm wearing gloves because it does say that it can cause burns on your skin, the cleaner. So let's bring it in and clean it off. So you want to use low flow water, cool, and you want to work from the clean side out. Ooh, that was pretty dirty. That must be the front of it, because the rest of it seems to be fine, but it gets pretty dirty water when you get to that side. So there was a couple of bugs kind of embedded in there, but I used to use this wood skewer that we use for our shish kebabs and just kind of help them along there. So now you can repeat the first two steps there where you put more cleaner on it and then rinse it all off. So I'd say that's not too bad. Oh, there's one more bug in there. Get out of there, bug. Yeah, I'd say that's not too bad. So now, you just shake off the excess. And let it dry. You're supposed to let it dry naturally, so that's why it's good that I'm doing it on a night I can't ride, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. There, I let it dry overnight. It's looking pretty good. Now to put the oil on. You're just supposed to spray it up and down on each part of the crown of the pleat. Oops. Now to let it dry for about 20 minutes and then touch up any places that I missed. There, it's been about 20 minutes, and now you just kind of look over, see if there's any spots that you missed, and go over them again if need be. Looks pretty good. So let's get it onto the bike. Let's just make sure there's no dirt inside and any excess oil is taken off. And I did cover this up overnight, so no dust or anything would get in there. So just make sure you get all that out as well. Line this up. And then put the cap on. And the best part of doing these things? Starting it up after. Well, thanks for watching. Until next one. Peace.